Hello guys and welcome to the moon. My name is Carl and I'm going to bring you this cryptocurrency video, and I'm here today with DaVinci J15. Bro, how are you doing today in this critical bear market we're in?
Well, I'm in the 5x5 state of life here in Dubai. It's kind of scary, this bear market. It's like, oh my gosh, when are we going to see the end of the blood, the horror, the destruction, the demand destruction? Oh my God. It's like, are we going to go to like 13K? I don't know. But I know for sure that if we break that 17.5, oh boy, that's a high probability.
Yeah, so we are in a very, very severe bear market, which is obvious by the charts, but also obvious by the defaults and bankruptcies we're seeing across the board. So I want to ask you now, from a technical point of view, where do you think Bitcoin can go in terms of the bottom, maybe for the bear market? Where is the lowest point in this cycle before we go into a bull market again? Do you have any answer for me?
Yes, I do. I really think, looking at the charts, that we can see that 11K approximately is the target for the lowest, absolute low target for Bitcoin. I can show that if you like on the screen.
Please show me.
Okay, let's do that right now. I'm going to bring up Coinergy. Sorry, I have a big long-term chart there that I love sharing with everybody. Everybody's on my channel, right? It's a big.
I do feel
chart.
like,
and it shows
11K sounds crazy.
I know, it shows exactly where we can go to, right? If we continue this this downward, and you can see right here, this trend line here is approximately 11K, right? If we head to that trend line, unfortunately. And that's a very critical trend line that goes back very, very far if you draw it out. So if we head back to that trend line, still in a bull market, but man, we got to bounce off that.
So do you think 11K is going to happen before the end of the year?
Here's the thing, right? If we're in the financial Armageddon that that the market is showing, right, where we're seeing, because they're already telling us a mild recession, right? I don't know about you, but I don't recall them ever warning of a recession ahead of time. So, when they warn of a mild one, that mild. The big one. It's the big one. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, this is the start of a depression, I believe. And of course, crypto should be quite unaffected. I mean, Bitcoin, you know, I think in the long term, but in the short term, when everything is crashing, Bitcoin tends to crash as well. It's just how it is. All markets have exposures to each other. It's just how the financial markets work. But I do believe that Bitcoin can decouple from that and thrive in a depression, because people will be looking for a safe place to put their money. What do you think?
Eventually that will happen, because people will be panicky and they will look for solutions, and somebody will tell them Bitcoin, they'll say, you're crazy, it's low, it's all, price is low. And then eventually, maybe if they listen to that person and then have that person be understand that what Bitcoin truly is, they might be able to be persuaded to, you know, move money, especially since it's at a low price, into that asset, whilst they have a chance to buy it at a low price. Now, unfortunately, that's going to be a very small amount of people, because price is what drives people to do anything. So positive price action drives people, whether it's negative or positive, right? It actually drives people to do stuff. Because when you see price going up and price going up over and over again in any asset, you immediately have to pay attention to that. You have to. The reason why is because you're too busy doing your daily job, and then prices are running away. So what happens is it's basically like, you know, oh my God, I see a whole bunch of people running down the street. I don't know why they're screaming, yelling. and they're running for their lives, it looks like I should join them. It's your basic instinct. And same happens when price is running away. It's your basic instinct to go and find out, maybe I should buy whatever that asset is and find out why I have to buy it right now, like later on. So this is why we have to see prices going higher in order to get a large number of adoption in the future. Prices going down,
Yeah.
not going to get us that way.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Da Vinci, for sharing your thoughts. We also made a video on your channel. His channel is absolutely incredible for everyone who doesn't know that. Leave a thumbs up down below if you want me to make more videos with Da Vinci. Thank you so much. Leave a thumbs up down below and see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.